Have you ever looked up at the night sky and dreamt of the endless possibilities beyond our atmosphere? Space exploration has always captured our imaginations, from the moon landing to the awe-inspiring images from the James Webb Telescope. But for some, the final frontier isn't just about wonder, it's about profit. Space is rapidly becoming a hotbed for investment, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the charge. But before you blast off with your hard-earned cash, let's take a reality check. Is space a good investment, or is it a giant leap of faith towards financial oblivion? The booming business of beyond. Space is no longer the domain of government agencies alone. Private companies are at the forefront of a revolution, developing technologies for satellite internet, asteroid mining, and even space tourism. The global space economy is projected to reach a staggering $1.4 trillion by 2031. That's a massive pie with a lot of potential slices. There are several ways to invest in space. You can buy stock in publicly traded space companies. You can invest in space-focused ETFs, which are essentially baskets of stocks from various space-related companies. There are even emerging options like crowdfunding platforms for space startups. The potential payoff, launching your portfolio to new heights. The potential rewards of investing in space are undeniably exciting. Imagine a world where internet access is delivered via constellations of low-orbiting satellites, providing connectivity to even the most remote corners of the globe. Picture the possibilities of asteroid mining, where we could harvest precious metals and resources that are scarce on Earth. Space tourism, still in its infancy, could become a multi-billion-dollar industry, offering unforgettable experiences for the wealthy few. Investing in these revolutionary developments could lead to significant returns. Early investors in companies like SpaceX have seen their portfolios soar as the company continues to break new ground. The risks don't get lost in the cosmos of uncertainty. However, space is not without its risks. It's a nascent industry, and many of the technologies are still in their early stages. There's no guarantee that these ambitious ventures will be successful. Launching rockets and building space infrastructure is incredibly expensive, and the potential for setbacks and failures is high. Regulation in the space industry is also a challenge. Space law is complex and constantly evolving, which can create uncertainty for investors. Geopolitical tensions can also impact space exploration, adding another layer of risk to the equation. Investing in space, is it right for you? So, should you invest in space? The answer, as always, is, it depends. Space is a high-risk, high-reward investment. If you have a strong risk tolerance and a long-term investment horizon, then space could be a good fit. However, if you're looking for a safe and reliable investment, space might not be the best option. Before you invest, do your research and diversify. If you're still interested in investing in space, here are some key points to remember. Do your research, learn about the different space companies and technologies. Understand the risks involved before putting your money down. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of space-related companies and funds to spread your risk. Invest for the long haul. Space is a long-term game. Be prepared to hold your investments for several years, or even decades. Conclusion: reaching for the stars with your portfolio. Space is a frontier filled with possibilities, and that extends to the realm of investment. While it's certainly an exciting prospect, approach it with caution. Investing in space requires a healthy dose of optimism, a strong stomach for risk, and thorough research. Remember, even the most daring astronauts need a safe and secure base to launch from. So, don't neglect your core investments before reaching for the stars. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.